Do you want me to do it?
No, oh, here it is, right here. I'll figure it out. The lights on? Just keep it on. Okay, it says that the printer is idle. No jobs waiting. Maybe I need to send it. But I don't want to send it twice. Okay. Let me select the right printer. This is printer. Oh, I had it on the wrong printer because this is printer 450. And print. The document cannot be printed.
Do you want me to do it?
There are no pages selected. Yeah. I think on TikTok we have to like pin stuff now. Hi everybody, we're about to go through this new order. Nice fresh Jamaican grocery joined. Oh, hi everybody. Okay, let me pin something in here because I think TikTok doesn't like to show us if we don't have something pinned. How's that view? Okay, let me pin some of our wigs. Ooh, I don't want to trip. Yes, we're a real store located in Culver City, California. C-A. Is that how the kids do it? Like this? Or is that the... No. We are in L.A. Let me stop. Okay, let me pin something. We are a glueless wig store. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This wig right here is about 4 years old. Pin products, go to pin. Oh, okay. I'm going to pin, I'll just pin the kinky straight. So this is one of our most popular products there. Our kinky straight, 20 inches. So if you're looking for more of a natural texture, that would be where to get it. Did we figure out the TV?
Yeah.
And we do custom color. Let me show you some of the color that our amazing, world-renowned wig colorist has been working on. Ooh. Ow. Ooh, let's get this picture. I'll send it to my cousin. It looks good in the light. She did this color. So both of these started out in the natural color. We'll do this for content. Should I do the hairline? Ew. Ew.
Twisted. It's pretty.
Did we get a still picture? Let's get a still picture. The lighting looks good. Hopefully it's just as good as it looks on there. Look at my shirt in.
You want to be in the picture?
Yeah.
Oh.
I look cute today. Cute enough,
Stand
right?
right here.
Since somebody said I don't come to work ever. No, nobody said that. I'll do like, I got something to tell you. Oh, that's silly, huh?
Look at me. I said, oh, I'll tell you after.
Do you have short hair? Yes, we do. We don't have a lot of pixies in stock, but we do have shorter wigs. So we just finished the custom color on this one. We can literally customize the color for you almost any way imaginable, but that's why we encourage a one-on-one consultation with our colorist, so that way we can get you the wig that you want and the color that you want. Oh, this is a really popular style over here also. I'm just talking. Oh, you're figuring out the printer. This one right here, this is a 12-inch. Okay, thanks. Girl, why it said $1,000? Because it is a quality wig that's going to last you for years.
I've been talking to what I want to hear.
1,000 for a 20-inch? Yes. Do you want a quality wig, or do you want hair that you spend $400 on and then you have to spend another $400 in 3 months? Just get quality hair in the first place. And that's what I have here. That's what we have at our store. And we definitely encourage you to come on in and try on our beautiful wigs so you really can see and feel and smell the difference. When you get our wigs, they do not smell like corn chips or anything like that. The hairline is already bleached. The knots are bleached. It's pre-plucked. There's baby hair. And it's going to stay on and last you. It's not going to get dry. It's not going to mat up. You can go swimming in our hair. And yes, thank you. See, there's a difference in quality when you're buying hair. And that's one thing that we like to talk a lot about. There is different levels to hair. Like, yeah, somebody may use the same picture. Hold on, I'm getting a little thirsty. Leave it to me. Yes, best quality wigs last for years. Thank you. Like sometimes we'll have a client come in and they'll say, well, this wig right here online cost me $50 or cost me $400. What's the difference in yours? And we're like, well, you can see the difference. You smell the difference. There's no corn chip smell. Our hair is going to last you. The cap is going to last you. It's not going to stretch out. Your hair is not going to mat up. It's not going to tangle. You can curl it. You can reuse it. Is that the police over there?
Yeah, they've been going there lately, but I don't know why. They've been coming and then going upstairs and then checking the door. I don't know if somebody's pulling the alarm, but it's like the third time this has been gone.
I know before they had a problem with robberies, but it's like, and that's not even the right door. Oh, we know he got called. If you're going to the wrong door like that, somebody called you.
They've been doing it like 3 times, and then they go to the top, and then they leave.
I think they have like a robbery button or something like that, but it's like, who robs a co-sharing space? What are you looking for?
I need those 2 guys to come back.
Yeah, Drake and he definitely looked like Drake. But yes, guys, we have awesome quality hair. If we were selling garbage hair for this price, I would not have had this store here for 10 plus years. Do you know how hard it is to stay in business? Do you know how hard it is to sell hair in LA? If I was selling garbage hair that was not worth it, I'm here in Culver City, which is a very, very expensive neighborhood and a very large space. Our space is pretty big here, and it goes back further than that. But if we were selling not so great quality hair, I wouldn't be here anymore. So, yeah. You get what you pay for, definitely. Thank you. Okay, let me show you guys some of these wigs that we have here today. So we got some new wigs in. All of these here, woo, they're going up. And this is what we go through every week. Ooh, come take my picture. Woo. But we're constantly putting up new wigs and filling up these walls because people want to come in and buy our wigs because we have great quality wigs. They know they're going to last. They know they can go on vacation. They know the wig's going to be secure. They know they can have great customer service. And they know if they have a question, I'm going to be here. Does this look silly?
No. Pick it up again. Very happy. Come a little bit this way. little bit more. You can't put on the bottle. Okay.
Did I tell you I'm trying to go to China? I'm trying to go to China. And then after I go the first time, I'll take people back with me and take them on tours to factories and stuff. But yeah. Okay, so again, we have amazing quality wigs. We have from 10 to 30 plus inches. We're located here in Culver City, and come shop with us. We prefer that you make an appointment because we're open by appointment only, preferred. We do styling. We can add some bangs, some layers into your wig. We can custom color your wig. And best of all, our wigs are glueless. So if you're struggling with any sort of hair issues, come on in and shop with us. There's no reason for low quality hair. Your reason is not that you don't know about us. A lot of people wear low quality hair because they don't know that a place like this exists. You know we're here. So if you want a quality wig, come on in and shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. And if you want custom color, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company because we have the best color. Isn't this pretty? And we use different purples on here. So I just think this is so beautiful. Hey, I'm back again. I was thinking about braids or curly. We don't have many braided wigs, but we do have a lot of curly wigs.
Not that one.
So here's some of our curly hair. We're also getting a little content in. But here's some of our curly hair. This is actually our deep body wig. We have a curlier texture than this, and we have our kinky curly. This one has custom color on it. We can do it in the natural color. We have it in jet black. The curly one, good. So let me show you a couple more curly options.
Want me to braid them for you?
Nope.
Too long.
And let me show you the difference in these two colors. So this is jet black here in the deep body wave, the same texture I just showed you. And this one is natural color. The lighting is doing its job today. You can really tell the difference because sometimes on camera, you can't tell the difference in the jet black deep body wave and the natural color deep body wave. So shop with us if you are looking for quality wigs, ladies. You can come on into our store here and have a one-on-one consultation. You can try on wigs. Yes, you can try on wigs. We do not charge you for that. And we'll layer the wig and style it for you. We will color it for you. We'll measure your head to make sure it fits you perfectly. We'll make sure you can take it on and off and know how to care for the wig. And yes, we do maintenance services here as well. So if you want us to wash your wig for you, we've got you covered there. Let me show you a couple more textures and then I have to get off of here because I gotta run to the beauty supply. Let me just show you one or two more.
Do long wavy. The bottom.
The kinky curly?
Wavy. The long wavy.
Okay, let me show you these two really quick. One is a wavy custom colored with bangs. And the other is still in the natural color. So here's just an example of what you can get from us. We really can customize the wigs almost any way you can imagine. We can cut bangs into it, we can color it. Let us assist you. All of our parts are natural, free parting, up to 6 inches in the front. What are the costs for these? This one is 20 inches and her price is right here. Here's all of her tag information. If you want this wig, screenshot it. Hi, how many wigs hold in the storage bag? Depending on the length and density, up to, what was it, up to 4?
Yeah.
Up to 4. And then this is the price on this one. It's $8.50, 16 inches, body wave. There you go. So shop with us. We have lots of options available. We're here in Culver City. We're open every day except for Sunday. We're open 10:30 to 6 p.m. We are Black owned. I'm the owner. I've been here for 10 plus years by the grace of God. I love what I do. I am here to assist you. I'm about to get off right now unless anybody has any last minute really quick questions. Thank you guys for watching. If you're only following us here on TikTok, go and follow us on the other social media accounts so you can always be in the know about what's going on here. Thanks guys for watching. I heart you. We're Magic Hair Company and changing lives one custom wig at a time.